This video is going to show you the solution to problem 6.31. It says that there's cars sold at Walt's dealership that are very popular. It also tells us about that the sales prices of the cars are normally distributed. The sales price follows a normal distribution. It tells us the mean sales price is $19,800, and it tells us the standard deviation is $350. So for part A, it wants to know if Dolores paid Dolores paid $19,445. And what percentage of customers paid less than Dolores? So let's draw the picture. Here's X, the sales price. Here's the mean, 19,800. The standard deviation is 350. Here's Dolores's car at 19,445. And here's the percent of customers that paid a price below hers. Dolores is an old name. It's my aunt's name. Okay, so let's figure out that area. So this is X. So we need to use the Z. Well, let's draw the picture for Z. Here's the picture for Z. Z has a mean of 0, standard deviation of 1. We're going to have some Z there where the areas are the same size. So to solve for that area, Z equals X minus mu over sigma. X is the 19,445 that Dolores paid. The mean is 19,800. And the standard deviation is 350. And we get for Z, we get negative 1.01. Just as a reminder, Z is actually also the number of standard deviations. So what we're seeing there is Dolores paid 1.01 standard deviations below the mean, and we know it's below the mean when it's negative. Okay, so now I go to my Z table. I look up a left tail, which is relatively easier. It's 0.1562. It's for the row of negative 1.00. and the column of 0.00, and that means this is 0.1562. So 15.62% paid a lower price than Dolores. Now let's look at the next one for a price of Cuthbert. Wow, where do they get these names? Cuthbert paid $20,300, and they want to know what percent paid more than Cuthbert. So now 19,800 is in the middle, 20,300 is here. The ones that paid more are above how much Cuthbert paid. And on our Z, we need to find what Z goes with this X so that the areas will match. So Z equals X minus mu over sigma. X is 20,300. Mu is 19,800. The average car standard deviation is 350. And we get a Z score of 1.43. So if you go to the table, remember the table only gives us the left tail, so this left tail from the table is 0.9236. The chance that Z is less than 1.43 is 0.9236, which means the chance that Z is bigger than 1.43 comes from 1 minus that. And it turns out to be 0.0764, or 7.64% of buyers spend more than Cuthbert. So that's because this is 0.0764, which means that is 0.0764. Okay, so that's the final answer for 6.31b.